All right, Alan, thank you. And despite mass vaccination campaigns rolling out in many countries, global herd immunity for COVID-19 will not likely happen this year. And that's according to the World Health Organization. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, is here now to share more on this. And Dr. Nandi, thank you for being with us. You're still in the midst of healing from your second vaccination. So why does the agency feel that this won't happen and won't be achieved by 2021?
So, Glenda, the statement concerning global herd immunity was made by Dr. Swaminathan. Now, she is the chief scientist at the World Health Organization. And there are a couple of reasons that really support her viewpoint. And here we go. So first of all, we have, 7.8 billion plus people living on the planet. So it makes sense. It's going to take a little while to reach everyone in order to build up immunity around the world. And secondly, vaccination programs have kicked off in wealthier countries like ours, like in the US and in Britain and Canada. But many countries that are not as wealthy, the poorer countries, are still waiting to get their vaccination program started.
So right now there are no vaccines for children under the age of 16. Won't this make it harder to reach herd immunity?
Absolutely, 100% will make it harder. So we know that we have to get 75 to 80% of the population vaccinated or have developed immunity through infection, right, Glenda? But now, if you take all the kids that are under the age of 16 out of the equation, it means that more of the adults, a higher percentage of the adults, actually have to be protected against COVID-19. Now, as for vaccination for kids, both the companies, Pfizer and Moderna, are saying that they have clinical trials underway for kids as young as 12. Now, Pfizer, they're going to have their results of safety and efficacy in early 2021, while Moderna, they expect to have their data in late fall. And I have even younger kids, and Moderna does plan to start a study for kids between the ages of 1 and 11, but they haven't released a start date yet.
Still more to come there. So, Dr. Nandi, back to your second and final vaccine. What was your experience like, and how are you feeling now?
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Got my second dose. I was sore. My arm was sore, just like the first dose. But the difference this time, Glenda, was that last night I had a significant fever. I had chills. I was fatigued, but listen, I didn't get worried because I knew this time it's the second dose. My immune system is reacting. So again, for those of you who are worried about getting the vaccine, this is normal. If you're going to get some side effects, it's going to be short-lived. I'm good today. I went to work, saw my patients, and again, the reason why I didn't hesitate is because I trust the FDA. I know how stringent they are and how much they value safety. So listen, anybody who's worried about it, go get it, because this is the only way we're going to get the herd immunity and try to get back to normal. Really, really, I feel strongly about that.
And quickly, Dr. Nandi, is it a painful injection or is it gentle like a flu shot?
It's less painful than a flu shot. It's just several hours later, probably about 8 to 12 hours later, you can get some pain in the muscle. That's it. Okay. But that goes away too.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing your experience, and always good to see you, Doc.